So we had an SMT right here. As you all can see, we came and swept at these highs on S&P 500, but we didn't sweep all those highs on Nasdaq 100. Yeah. So let's see if we can get a good trade today. And yeah. Yeah, I'm taking my sell right there. Taking my sell right there. Stops above this fair value gap. Yeah, this week. Yeah. So this is my last trade for today. My first will be right here. My first take profit will be right there. And yeah, that's basically it. No, actually, my first take profit will be right here. And then my second right there. So I'm basically in this trade because we invest both S&P and Nasdaq 100 fair value gaps. And yeah, that's basically why I'm in this trade because of the invest we had. Yeah, I'm out of that trade. I'm out of those trades. I can't keep on holding because we literally just took out Asian lows again on Nasdaq 100, and we didn't take out those Asian lows on S&P 500. So even though price keeps going down, I do not care. I'm not trying to, because it's literally an SMT right now. It's literally an SMT right now. So most likely price might push to the upside or keep pushing down. But it's a clear SMT right now. So I'm not trying to take any trades anymore. But yeah, that's basically it for the day. I think we took about 4 trades today. Let me see. This one was a mistake. This wasn't supposed to even be a trade. But today we took about 4 trades in total. But yeah, today we just made about, I don't know, we lost about $10 today basically. But that's it for the day, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, yeah, so I know I said I was done, but while I was editing the video, price literally just hit TP. But I want you guys to understand something, right? Obviously, price hit TP. I don't know, but y'all might be saying, oh, you should have held the trade and this and that. But if you guys realize something, literally learning from the mistake I took before this trade. So let me just explain the first trade I took so that you guys know what I mean and why I closed out early right here. So on this trade, the trade I took around that 9:45 time, if somewhere right here, I took my trade somewhere like right here. So let me just explain the trade. So we had this fair value gap, right? That got inversed right here. And obviously I'm taking my trade right here because it got inversed both on S&P 500 and on Nasdaq. So my stop loss was right here, and then I was aiming these highs basically. So what happened, right? So I was running 2 contracts on this trade, and then I closed my first contract which literally as price took out this high, because if you look at this level right here, price took out this high on S&P 500 right here, but it didn't take out this highs on Nasdaq 100, right? So I took out only one contract as soon as price took out this highs, and I left the remaining contract running, thinking, oh, maybe we might still push higher. But price ended up taking me out because there was a clear SMT, right? Now again, That's why I lost 30 something dollars and I only won 10. Yeah. So I lost about 30 something dollars and I only won where was it? Yeah. I only won 10 and I lost about $32, right? Now the second trade, we have a clear fair inverse fair value gap to the downside right here. We have Asian session lows right here. And we have Asian session lows all the way down here on S&P 500. So the only reasonable stuff to do right now is to close right here. And I'll explain it to you because there is still an SMT. Now I'm going to explain. So let's mark out the time price took out this low on NAS 100. So that was around 10:19 p.m. Sorry, 10:19 a.m. I'm going to mark it out right here. 10:19 a.m. was somewhere right here. So look at this candle right here. Price is right here, and this is the Asian session lows right here on S&P 500. But price already tapped into this gap right here at 9:14. Sorry, at 10:19, right? Somewhere right here. Exactly. So yeah, price already tapped into the line, into our Asian session lows. Price already took Asian session lows out, but hasn't taken Asian session lows out on S&P 500. So we clearly have an SMT, right? Let me draw it out again. I'm just trying to make you guys understand why I literally closed out right there. So look, we have an SMT divergence because at 9:14, so where's 10:19? Sorry, so 10:19 right there, and then yeah, so it's literally an SMT divergence because this is literally going down, this is literally going up. So for me to even close, because I actually did close one contract out, but then I started realizing, oh wait, we actually have an SMT. I don't want to do the same mistake I did here again by closing one contract out, letting the rest run, and still getting stopped out. So I just decided to close one contract out. After realizing my mistake, I closed the second contract out. And even though price still went into my direction, at least I closed the trade and followed my trading plan. Because if price had now gone up, now I would have been saying, oh, I didn't learn from my mistake. But because I learned from my mistake, I don't even care about the circumstances. I don't care about what happens after. I still have to close my trade because I followed my trading plan. So that's basically what I did today. I wasn't just trying to not follow my trading plan and do the same mistake I did earlier, because that's why most people fail in trading. Obviously, I'm not trading on a live account. I shouldn't be giving out these motivational speeches, but mostly that's the reason why people don't succeed in trading, because they keep on doing the same mistake that they made before. Okay, but yeah, that's basically it. And yeah.